You have no self-control, no discipline. You can't even control when you go to sleep, but you expect your life to move forward? That's embarrassing. Every night it's the same pattern. You sit there scrolling, delaying, fully aware you have to wake up, and you still don't stop. That's not being busy. That's weak control. Now your brain is wired at night. Your body is drained during the day. And your mornings feel like punishment. Then you say, I just can't sleep? No. You don't know how to stop. You don't know how to shut your day down. This is what chapter 10 of the guide talks about. And if your sleep is broken, this is exactly where your system is failing. Go check out the guide. It has the structure you clearly don't have. Your system is broken, not your sleep. Sleep isn't random, it's trained. Right now, you've trained your brain to stay alert at night. Different bedtime every day. Constant stimulation. No signal that the day is over. So your brain stays on, because why would it shut down? If you never show when things end. That's why you're awake when you should be asleep, exhausted when you need to perform, and repeating the same cycle every single day. This isn't insomnia, this is inconsistency. You don't need discipline. You need a system that catches you. You keep telling yourself, I need more discipline. You don't. Because if discipline was enough, you wouldn't be here. You need something that still works when you're tired, distracted, and off track. Because you will be. Late nights will happen. Deadlines will stack. Your schedule will break. That's not the issue. The issue is you don't have a reset. So one bad night becomes three. Three becomes a week. And now exhaustion becomes your normal. We're rebuilding this properly. Not perfect, functional. 1. Fix needs. 2 things. Consistent wake time, 5 days a week. 60 to 90 minutes to wind down before bed. That's it. Your brain needs repetition, not motivation. And 2, flexible wants. Stop going extreme. You don't need to cut everything out. Just guide yourself. Dim lights, shower, read a page, play calm music. Make it something you'll repeat. And 3, safety cushion. This is what saves you because you will mess up. A 20-minute nap max before 4 p.m. And one rule, after a bad night, you still wake up at your set time. That's the reset. That's how you stop the spiral. Your environment matters. So say something. Roommate, can we keep lights dark after 11? I'm trying to fix my sleep so mornings stop hurting. A study group. I'm heading out at 10 so I can function tomorrow. I'll send the notes in the morning. To yourself, today is a reset. I'm not broken. I'm just tired. I'll protect tonight. You don't need more effort. You need boundaries. I used to think being exhausted was just part of college. Like mornings were supposed to feel heavy. Like you just pushed through it. But it wasn't normal. It was a pattern. And once I changed a few small things, not everything, just a few, my body started responding differently. Mornings felt lighter. My mind felt clearer. And for the first time, it didn't feel like I was fighting myself every day. You don't need perfect nights. You need controlled ones. Fix your nights, and your days stop falling apart.